Man, it's starting to rain out. But anyways, this is what I have to say to the cruise ship. What are you doing in my swamp? Why is the door open? But anyways, this is a beautiful day in Cayman. Rain smells like mangoes. Rain smells like mangoes. It's getting so foggy I can't see ship anymore. Derp. Look at the leaves. And this is basically... I woke up this day. Cruise ships are pulling into the harbor. Ship on there has a big jumbotron. I'm super jealous! Can't tell you how many chickens there are in the Caymans. This doesn't even look like a Carnival cruise ship. For gosh sakes, it doesn't even have a name plate on there. We'll just call it what... I remember when Xavier called me this thing on the Curse Baker comment video. So I kind of have the right to call it the SS Carnival Butt Rat. Or the SS Butt Rat. I don't know. I think that's a Royal Caribbean. No, I don't know if that's a Royal Caribbean or not. But still, we'll just call this cruise ship Carnival Butt Rat. Makes more. What should we call that ship? The SS Butt Rat. Let me know in the comments below. Okay. My grandma really wanted to film something like this, not film something dumb for once. Well, that's just kind of how I roll. Yeah, I do that a lot. I spit a lot. I don't know why. Well, this is basically a view from my condo. Look. And pretty soon I will stop uploading videos on the Caymans. Send you vlogs from me and the US back home. The bad news is that I can only choose like something, like one thing to film my things on. Okay. The next video is not going to be about the Caymans, but it's gonna be an animation, or what I think is an animation. Or what I think is an animation. But, alright, in the background, also put in the comments below which shipping company that is. There's a giant H on there. When it's, whatchamacallit, the Butt Rat, just sitting there. You call me a butt rat because I made a derpy video. But trust me, I had to watch that video several times to unbreak the curses from the Ninjago death video. Alright, anyways, I will make another one of that soon. Next one is going to be what I think is an animation. It's based on a Comrade Red's channel. One of Comrade Red's something channel. Yeah. It's gonna be an animation called Alle Waffen gegen Hitler. Or in English that means all weapons on Hitler. Now in the Caymans, it's it's nice. I mean, and there's lots of shipwrecks here, like the Gama, which is down there, and, and kind of out there, there's the Collie. Kind of down further down, there's the Colleen, the Balboa, and down in the east, down at Rum Point, down near Barefoot Beach, there's I forgot what it's called. There's the Geneva Kathleen, and yeah, it's kind of raining. Now look, I can't really film anything on my iPad because I have no storage, so I can only film like this. Is my but that will be a problem when I get back to the United States because I'm spending the night at my grandma's house, and I'd be only doing that. My mom will probably not let me film on her phone, but I do know my account, so I'll log in my account on a lot of things, and because iPads aren't really good for filming, you know? Well, sorry to bore you out, but this is just kind of a blog of Layton, kind of relaxing from some of the crazy stuff I upload. If you want more crazy stuff, then check out my other videos, or stay tuned for the next video, and stay tuned for further episodes, like All They Waffen and Hitler, or An Ordinary Day in the Caymans. Now, in the Caymans, it doesn't really rain much. Because all the time I just make stupid videos, I remember when I made this back porch vaporwave, but I made up for that for making a Rick Roll vaporwave. In case you don't, it's a type of music. In the Caymans, it's not really like this, but cruise ships don't come in a lot, so cruise ships come in every once I think that's a Royal Caribbean. Never mind. But just in case, put in the comments below what the heck that is. And also, which ship should I call? The Butt Rat, the SS Butt Rat, or the Carnival Butt Rat? Which I can't film it because it's not the shot. Oh my gosh, my voice is so annoying. Okay, basically this video is about...
And come and do on TV, upload your videos.
Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.